Okay, so how to deliver your order on Fiverr? So first of all, you need to log into your Fiverr account, then go to click on dashboard. So in your dashboard you can see all active orders. So at the moment you can see I've got one order and value of this order is only $5. So let's click on view order now. So basically, if you click on dashboard, you will see a list of all your orders. If you have more than one, you can see them here. And let's click on so select from this list your order. In my case, it's only this one, so I'll click on view order now. And here we can see if I will click on show requirements, I can see request from buyer, and now we can deliver this order. So if we'll click on deliver now here, we can supply all information, or we can click on here and as well, so it doesn't matter, you can click here or here. This one text box, you can send message to the buyer, but it will not deliver your order. So if you want to completely deliver order, click on here and upload your work. For example, in my case, it's a screenshot from a website. So I'll create screenshot, save it. So I have created blog post for this buyer. So let's upload screenshot of work. Here it is. Here you can see portfolio sample. So this image what you will upload here, it will be displayed in your Fiverr portfolio. So make sure to provide quality images. If you do not want to display this image, then you should create a zip archive and upload all materials, all of your work in this zip archive. And separately you can create portfolio image and upload it here. So this is how it works like. And here you should provide some text and deliver actually your work. So let's add text like hi, your order is completed, blog post created, and you can check it here. Please do not. Usually I also ask for a review, but according to Fiverr policy, you should do this really carefully. Do not ask for 5 stars and income. It's against their policies, but you can write something like this: please do not forget to rate this order. So this is okay for Fiverr policy. And if you have any additional requests or questions, please contact me. So when you have uploaded work, when you have added text here, you can click now on deliver work. So work delivered, and it will be auto completed in next 3 days if buyer will not respond to this order. So if buyer will not take any actions, this order will be auto completed in 3 days. Here you can see your delivery. After that, you can also talk to the buyer by using this message box, or you can click on his name and send message as well like this. So guys, this is how it works like. This is how everything work on Fiverr. Just make sure to switch to there, as you can see, option switch to buying, switch to selling. If you will switch to buying, you will see Fiverr from like a buyer. If you want to see how seller, make sure to switch that menu back. And here you can see everything everything in your dashboard. If you click on also let me show you. If you click on orders, here you can see menus, for example, delivered. So here you can see order what we just delivered. Here you can see a list of completed your orders and their rates. Here you can see cancelled orders and orders what are started but buyer not provide any, not complete requested information for the gig. So here it how it works like. So everything you can find in dashboard. Okay guys, if you have any questions about this about Fiverr, make sure to comment under this video. And as well, if you would like to register or check gigs, interesting gigs on Fiverr, make sure to check links what I will put in this video description below. Okay, so have a nice day and subscribe to my channel.